Hello YouTube and welcome to episode 4 of this Discord programming series. And in this episode we are going to make embed pages a lot more efficient way than using reaction handlers like Plexi Development done. So we want to begin by making a functions.js. We're going to make this into a global function so that we can use it anywhere. So if you want it global, we're going to have to export it. So we'll use module.exports and then we'll make a function within that. Now let's just call the function pages, which will take an array, items per page, which will be a number, and then a page number. And we'll have a default page number of 1, because why not? Now we want to calculate the max pages of the array and then items per page. To do that, we're going to use math.ceil, and what that does is basically returns the highest number rounded up no matter what. So if you provide 0.1, it's going to return 1, and if you provide 1, it just stays as 1. Simple as that really. And in that math.ceil we're going to use a parameter which should just be array.length divided by items per page, and that's our max pages calculated. Now we're going to use an if statement. If page is less than 1 or page is greater than max pages, we're going to return null. And then later on in our commands we can use an if statement to check whether there's a result. But if it passes that check, then we could just return array.slice, which takes 2 parameters now. So we're going to start by using parentheses, because that's how big maths works, page minus 1 times items per page, and then a second parameter, page times items per page. And that's simply going to return the correct page. And now we're going to go into our commands and test this function out. So let's make a search command to search for a member by a certain keyword. This is Embed, an affordable and reliable hosting company. They sell many services such as shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, Discord bot hosting, domain names. Host a Discord bot today for less than $1 with Ultrex Development. You get to choose Java, Node.js or Python. Most of our series are based on Node.js, so you can choose Node.js. We even have a coupon code which will take 25% off. The coupon code is Vultrex, and that will bring you down to just 75 cents a month to host your Discord bot. So why not do that? Just look at all these happy customers. So to start with, we'll import message embed from discord.js. And then we're going to import our functions file as well. Structures/functions. And now I'll make our command as normal. Module.exports.run, client, message, arguments, you know how it goes. Module.exports.help. We'll name it search, it's our command name, and we'll give it a description. Search members in the server by a keyword. Module.exports.requirements. User permissions, we don't require any for this. Client permissions, again, we don't require any. Owner only, why? Don't need to. And now module.exports.limits, this is our rate limit, so rate limit we'll set that to 5 for argument's sake. Cooldown we'll set it to 1 minute. So 64 means 60,000 milliseconds. The 4 is how many zeros are after the 6. So now we're going to go into our actual command, and we're going to do if there's no args 0 or there's no args 1, return message.reply, you must provide a keyword and page number. Now we're going to do const page equals functions.pages. First it will take an array, so we'll use message.guild.members hash.filter, and then we're going to filter it by member.user.username, and then we're going to put it to lowercase .includes args 0 .to lowercase, and then we're going to want to map that by their tag, so it'll display their tag later on. Second parameter is items per page. Let's do 5 items per page, and then we want the current page number, which just be args1. And now if there's no page, so if it returns null, then just want to simply reply, this page doesn't exist. Otherwise, we just want to return message.channel.send, and we'll send our new message embed. Set the author, results for args0, and we'll use the icon of the server since we're searching members in the server, it will just make sense. And we want to set the description to page.join, and we'll join it by a new line. Makes sense again, and we'll just give it a colour, let's say a material green. Now we can test our command. Now we're on Discord testing the command whether it'll work, so we want to simply do search, let's say Stasium, there's only one Stasium. Oh, I forgot to provide a page number. So there's Stasium. Then we want to do, let's say this page don't exist. Let's do host 1, well, HO, and 2, and then there shouldn't be a page 3. Okay, never actually responded then because of the rate limits, but yeah, it would say this page doesn't exist. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in episode 5.